Hi everyone, I'm here today to take and do a review on nail decoration and slime supply kit. It has 48 different bottles of different types of beads, glitter, 3D art, all that. We're going to take and I'm going to do my nail for you. You start with your base coat, your favorite one. I'll try to make this as fast as possible. Make sure that you put a good base coat on. I've already laid out the art that I want to put on my nail. I've got a pair of tweezers. Take the tweezers to pick it up. Easier said than done sometimes. Like I said, easier said than done. Okay, can't do it that way. I'll do it with my other nail. There's 3. I'm putting little pink hearts on my nail. So that's what it will have all over it. Situate them around so that they're not all bunched up. It's actually quite fun. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, I've got them on. And then you take your top coat, because the kit doesn't come with the base coat or the top coat. Use yours that you like. And I prefer the diamond top coat from Sally Hansen. Make sure you put on a very nice coat. And voila. As you can see, it's done. It just needs to dry. And the drying time takes about, I don't know, good 15 minutes for it to set up completely. Because I did my thumb to check it out first. But if you like it, it does work. And there is quite a bit here to choose from. And you can also put the glitter part and stuff and slime to make glittery slime. You can get it at the link below. Don't miss out. Enjoy. And remember, if you like my videos, hit the bell and subscribe. Have a good day.